Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that the last 72 hours, Bitcoin's just been consolidating very close to 100,000. It hasn't even retested the support at 98,000 or tried to break the resistance at 103. But there are some meme coins which are actually playing a very crucial role in ensuring that the next leg up is going to be huge. And the two big names is actually Dogecoin and Pepe. Why is Dogecoin playing such a critical role? Because in the last 24 hours, you can see that it's been super volatile. It's gone from 48 cents to 44 cents, and it's actually holding really strong, close to 46, which is a little bit above the huge resistance at 45. Also, if you look at the trading volume, Doge is sitting at 8 billion, which is nearly double Solana and BNB combined. So definitely there is a lot of inflow of cash coming in because the whales are paying a very close attention to Dogecoin. Whale activity for Doge has increased by 1,200% just in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin 100,000 consolidation sparks an interest in Dogecoin, Pepe, and Phantom. Memes, or let's just say whales, inject a bullish sentiment in meme coin sector to attract retail investors. That's exactly where they like to go. And Reddit is paying attention to some companies that are trying to be like MicroStrategy. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin. You want the latest and the greatest news first. I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the way Doge is actually performing. Now you can see that we're sitting at about 46.5 cents market cap right now, or you can see the price. I mean, the market cap is sitting at much higher than that. But on the other end, if you look at the daily chart, why is this a big deal? Because if you just go back to 2021, you'll realize that we have already broken the huge resistance, which is actually close to 44 to 45 cents, as previously, even in 2021, we did get rejected at the same price multiple times. And the reason for this is there was a lot of whales which had their limit orders set to that specific price. So their take profit was the reason why the market decided to slow down. So you do need to understand that's the reason why right now where we're sitting is so important, because breaking over that resistance means we have a lot of free run to actually go off that. Right now that is acting as a support, because if you look over here today, we did go all the way up to 48 cents, but this is definitely gearing up for a really big run up in the next 24 to 48 hours, as we have seen previously. Usually it just breaks above the previous higher high, and once that is done, there's a little bit of consolidation and an explosion happens. The reason the explosion happens so quickly is because there is a lot of people that FOMO into the Dogecoin market, because usually with meme coins they go really explosive, so people don't want to miss out on that rush. And then when they decide to jump in, that's exactly the time the FOMO kicks in, and more retail investors decide to jump in, and the price just keeps climbing. That's exactly the stage that we are on before the market goes explosive again. And the easiest way to see it is just if you just pay attention to what the whales are doing. 1,200% increase in just the last 24 hours. That's a lot of whale activity. And on the other end, as Bitcoin holds steady around 100,000 mark, traders are turning their focus to emerging altcoins like Dogecoin. Despite Bitcoin's ongoing consolidation, positive sentiment remains as analysts anticipate significant move in altcoins driven by the market dynamics and upcoming development. The easiest way to see that is you can see that the open interest for Dogecoin right now is sitting close to 4 billion, which is insanity. And the long to the short ratio clearly gives you a bullish idea. I mean, 74% of those traders that you just saw are actually going bullish on Dogecoin. They do expect the price to go very explosive. And that's exactly why we are seeing this. A lot of people, as noted by the industry expert Felix, the initial surge of Bitcoin could influence the altcoin market, but profit taking could prompt a significant downturn in altcoins. I mean, if you just look at the meme coins category, you'll realize that Pepe right now is doing quite well. At the same time, Doge is doing extremely well. But if you look at all the other ones in top 100 other than MOG, they're all pretty not doing well. So that should give you perspective why Doge is still leading the chart by quite a huge margin. Now, I want to show you guys this. Amazon shareholders call for its board to consider investing in Bitcoin. Now, why is this a big deal? Because you guys know Michael Saylor actually met up with the Amazon shareholders, and he tried to prompt the idea that Amazon should invest in Bitcoin. Now the board are going to be meeting to try to invest in Bitcoin, and this could be huge because the amount of money that can flow in from just one company is absurd amount, because you can see a couple of billions just thrown into Bitcoin in a short period of time if they just decide to agree on the same thing. So this is a very exciting time, as a new company could be entering after Tesla, the second or the third richest man. I'm not sure if Jeff Bezos is second or third right now, but his company will also come into our big crypto market. On the other end, whales increased their Pepe holding by 1 billion just yesterday. So that should give you perspective that meme coins are definitely starting to get more attention, and that's exactly what you want. Dogecoin address activated after 11 years. So instead of fading into like many prompt altcoins, Dogecoin ended up becoming the biggest one, and Dogecoin is still down roughly 40% from its record high, but this account is starting to give a little bit more attention, or it's starting to do some sort of transaction which it hasn't done in like 11 years. Now, big banks versus Bitcoin, the battle for the financial freedom. For decades, big banks have held all on a leash. They control our savings, loans, profit, but now there is a competitor, which is cryptocurrency, and that's why there are so many banks around the world trying to put more sanctions on crypto and trying to make sure that crypto is seen as something that's not going to replace the bank. I mean, Fed did say that crypto is not trying to replace the US dollar. It's more like it's trying to replace the gold by becoming digital gold. So right now it is a really big, fight happening, you can say it like that. And Argentina opens foreign crypto ETF investment opportunity. So more opportunities coming from different countries is a huge deal, as that's going to be bringing in a lot more money into the crypto market. And White House crypto David invested in Bitcoin over a decade ago. That's over 10 years ago. So this person is very clearly in favor of cryptocurrency, and he is definitely going to be the one that will be leading a lot of things. But what is still a little unclear is who is going to be deciding on the sanctions that will be coming on the crypto market. Will it be the SEC? Will it be, different things that's going to be, the one that helped Bitcoin ETF be listed on NASDAQ? So it's like a little bit of a gray area right now, but at the end of the day, the one thing that we're certain about is the fact our boy Trump is going to try his best to ensure that cryptocurrency is favored. And ever since Trump has come into power, it's very clear to see by the way Bitcoin has acted by getting its all-time high close to 100,000. So right now we're in a golden era before an explosion. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.